A will, formerly known as a last will and testament, is a written direction controlling the disposition of property at death. Carlina Hull here, probate attorney with Elder Needs Law. Today we're going to talk about what constitutes a valid will in Florida. To make a valid will, no particular form of words are needed. However, Florida has very precise rules about how wills should be signed and witnessed to ensure that they are valid and enforceable under Florida law. A Florida bar licensed attorney can best assist you in making a will. And it's important to note wills made from another state or country can often be valid in Florida if it was properly executed by a non resident and it's valid under the laws of the state or country where the will was executed. In Florida, the maker of a will, someone lawyers and courts call a testator or testatrix, must be at least 18 years old or an emancipated minor or a minor serving in the United States military. A will maker must be of sound mind at the time the will is signed, and the signing of the will must go according to a very specific procedure set by Florida law. A will can be handwritten or typed, but never spoken. When a person passes away, it's important to note that their will must be proven valid by the probate court. The original signed and witnessed will, not a copy of the original, must be presented to the clerk of the probate court for verification. One must be competent to make a will. In Florida, being of sound mind means the will maker has not been deemed incompetent in a prior legal proceeding. They must know what their assets are and know who is to benefit from their will, and that their will disposes of all their assets after they pass away. Florida requires that the will maker sign at the end of the will document and that their will be signed in the presence of at least two witnesses who also sign their names in the presence of the will maker. There are many important considerations when creating a valid estate plan and the documents that go with it. It's called a last will and testament because it contains directions for the last things you'd like done on this earth. Please don't leave it up to the internet or a layman. Seeking the advice of a Florida bar licensed attorney may help ensure that your estate plan and documents accomplish your final wishes validly. If you're looking for estate planning advice or have recently lost a loved one and have questions about their estate, we here at Elder Needs Law provide individualized services to meet your needs, and we invite you to contact us today.